Please welcome Bird and Friends. I'm Bird. My show is called Bird and Friends Cosmic Unity. As you can see, there's no one on stage with me because my friends are the people in the audience right now in this moment. Yeah, right? Oh my God, yeah. If you applauded, that means you agree that you're my friend. So the way the show works is that anyone at any time watching can jump into the show that's happening if you feel inspired. I don't really care what happens, as long as if you do jump in, you just jump in through a spirit of peace and kindness and love. Is that cool? Yeah, that's it then. That's all I care about. I'm curious though, if you've done improv comedy before, can you yell and scream if you've done improv before? Sense is an improv comedy festival. If you've never done improv comedy in your life, can you yell and scream? Yeah, it's about half and half. Okay, here's the deal. If you've never done improv comedy, I especially encourage you to jump on stage. Whenever I teach new students, I always tell them it's just adults playing pretend. And we knew how to play pretend since kids, and you still have that in you, I assure you. So keep that in mind. Don't feel like this isn't for you, because it is! It's especially for you. That being said, if I've never done improv comedy with you ever in my life, could you raise your hand if I've just never done improv comedy with you ever? Cool. If your hand is currently up, can you keep your hand up if I've never met you in my life? Okay. And if your hand is currently up, can you keep your hand up if you've never done improv comedy in your life? And could just one person who currently has their hand up, just one person, just one person. Can just one person who meets those descriptions join me on stage very briefly, and whoever that person ends up being, can we applaud for them like they just got called onto The Price is Right? Is that cool? Cool, just one person. University?
How'd you know?
Dude, yeah, bro. You just look like someone from Drexel. What was your name?
Jareth.
Jareth?
Yeah, good job, first try.
Jareth with TH?
Yeah.
Jareth, question for you.
Sure.
So you've never done improv comedy before? Yeah, have you seen it besides today? Okay, cool. So are you cool doing just a little bit of improv comedy with me?
I'll try my best.
Yeah! People, Jareth is going to try his best for you, okay? Yeah. He's going to try his best. I'm going to try my best too. So we're on the same page there. Jareth, really, like I said, you can do whatever you want, and I'll take care of you. It's just playing pretend. You can be yourself, or just do whatever you want, man. It's all good. However, now that Jareth, I should also say, Jareth, if you want to leave the stage at any time, feel free to leave. You don't have to stay on stage. Oh God, Jareth! No. Please never leave my side. That was too scary. No, you can leave anytime you want. Since Jareth is choosing to stay on stage, though, again, if anyone, once we get started, feels inspired to jump on stage, feel free to follow that inspiration. Maybe give us a little bit of time to get something started, but yeah, it's open for everyone. To get Jareth and I started, I just want to get, let's say, 3 non-geographic locations. And all I mean by that is, like a pyramid as opposed to Egypt. So I heard pyramid was one. Let's from up here. What? The netherworld. Is that like hell? Or is the netherworld? Yeah. It's Greek hell. Okay. Got it. So netherworld, aka Greek hell. We got pyramid, and I think we need one more from the back. And a porter potty. Porter potty. Am I saying that right? Porter potty. What's that? Oh, porta party. Yeah, porta party. Good. I'm glad I clarified. Okay, Jareth. Between a porta potty, not a porter party, between a porta potty, a pyramid, or the netherworld, which is like a Greek hell, which one of those worlds would you want to play pretend in?
We do the porta party.
The porta potty, like you like the
party.
What's that?
Let's do a porta party.
Oh, got it. Okay, so so he said porta potty. Jareth wants to do a porta party. So to make that work, let's say that, this is a party. You've invited me to your party. I wasn't quite sure like what a porta party was. You're one of like my friends. I'm new to the school. You've kind of befriended me and you've invited me to like basically your house. We're in your backyard. You've got 3 different porta potties set up, and you're calling it a porta potty. And I am and there's also no one else right now here. You do live with your mom. Let's say we're in high school. You're a senior in high school, and I'm a sophomore. I'm new to school though, and I'm like here. Clear? All right. I wanted to make those ideas come together. So cool. Oh, cool, man. Hey, thanks for inviting me, man.
Yeah, welcome. Come on in.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah.
This is cool. This is cool. Like,
yeah. Have you ever been to a porta party?
no, man. When you passed up the flyer, I saw like porta potties on it, and I just thought that was like a fun take on just a regular party, right?
I think this is actually the first one ever. So I'm like an entrepreneur.
Oh, cool.
So I'm trying to start a company here. So.
Oh, very cool.
Yeah, if you can leave me a Google review, that'd be nice. If you like it, 5
Yeah.
stars.
I'll do it. Yeah. So this is cool. So this is your backyard. This is cool.
Yeah.
Your mom was super sweet when she led me back here.
Yeah.
I'm like the first one here.
That wasn't my mom. That was, I don't know who that was. I think my mom's in this one right here.
That is a true statement. You don't have to come on stage yet, but the mom is in one of the porta potties. But you don't have to physicalize it right now. But at some point, if somebody wants to come out as the mom, that's cool. But you don't have to be on stage right now. Okay, some woman just when I walked up, she was on your front porch, and she was like right this way.
Oh yeah, that's Nancy. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
So
she's like the crazy neighbor.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I didn't want to judge her. She seemed cool though.
Should avoid her probably.
Avoid Nancy?
Yeah.
But she was on your front doorstep. Right. Good to know. If I see her again, I'll avoid her.
Yeah.
This is cool, man. So you got any tunes or anything? Or?
Yeah, I put the stereo in this one here.
Inside that porta potty?
Yeah, you can go pick whichever one you want.
Oh, I got to go into the porta potty to listen to the music there. Oh. Okay, so each porta potty is a different experience?
Yeah.
Is your mom just using it, or is she having her own experience?
I'm not really sure. If I do use this one, I think track number 2 is the best.
Oh. Is it a surprise, or is there a particular...
I don't know.
Oh, you did say you're starting a band. I bet it's like one of your mixtape, your own personal. Is that what it is? Did I call it?
Yeah. I don't know. That's what they call it.
What's that?
They call it, I don't know. That's the name of the band.
What's that?
I don't know.
Oh, the name of your band is I Don't Know.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Bird! I'm your neighbor, Nancy!
Hey, Nancy. Yeah.
Oh my god, you having another party?
No. This is our house, and
Oh my god, it smells awful! I'm calling the department.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Where's your mother?
She's over here in this one.
Margaret! God damn it. Is that Nancy? Margaret, I hear you! Is that Nancy? Your son's having another party. Yeah, I know, I'm in the party. No, your son's having a party. Yeah, and I'm in the party. Oh my god. Margaret, come out here. What's that? Oh god. Is this what you do with your friends? You go shit in other random places and you listen to music?
Yeah, I'm starting something new.
You do that in the privacy of your own home.
We are.
Touche, sir! Touche! Smells worse than
Did you
it.
say tushy or
I said touche. I'm doing some French shit. It's not working.
I've never been to France, sorry.
No one's been to France. People say they go to France. Nobody goes to France. It smells horrible.
Hey guys, I just want to let you know that the apps are ready in room 3 over here. Just take your time, but room 3
cool.
experience apps.
Thanks so much.
Yeah.
So this is like a porta potty right here that just has clearly appetizers in it. I do think we only set up 3 porta potties. Is that what I said? 3 porta potties? Yeah. So we have the appetizer porta potty here. We have the music with his band, I don't know, playing in there. And we still don't know what the mom...
I'm stuck in the porta potty! Margaret! Get out! The lock is stuck! It's sticky! There's sticky on it! It's
Let me help
sticky!
you, Mother. Margaret!
Nancy, you're not helping. Don't push it.
I'm trying to get you out.
Nancy, don't push it.
Margaret.
You're gonna push it over.
Margaret, what are you doing in there? I hear
stuck.
some things.
I'm stuck.
Ah! Oh my God! What did you do in there? Oh.
Well, I don't need to talk about it. Do you want any bagel bites, son? Any bagel bites? I could go make us
Did
some
they have bagel bites? We got bagel bites.
You want
They
bagel
have
bites?
bagel
We got
bites.
Already.
Yeah.
So,
Oh, so you're-
the mom and Nancy go into that porta potty, into the...
Let's go get some bagel bites.
and then they just kind of disappear. Everyone disappears. Wow. Wow.
It's a good party, right? Yeah.
Yeah, it's so creative to think of having experiences in porta potties. I mean, I don't know if I would have came actually had you described it like that. But now that I'm here, wait, what was in this one?
I think that's just a porta potty. You can check it out. Let's see what this is. You should probably test it.
Hello?
Whoa!
I've been down here for 6 weeks.
Who the fuck was that?
I don't know. They just delivered this 6 weeks ago. Maybe that's the delivery guy.
Hello?
Hi.
And then you just push me into the porta potty. Wait, okay. And then you can leave stage just for a second. We'll get back. Give Jared as he pushes in, this porta potty just kind of expands in size a little bit, almost in a fantastical way. Oh shit! You've been stuck in here for how long? You said 6 weeks.
You're part of it now. What? Once you close the door, only Nancy can let you out.
How long was the mom in here?
Just like 20 minutes, like a normal time to go like a big number 2.
She took a big number 2, and you were just standing here listening.
No, I mean, yeah.
We cut for a second. We cut to the mom. Just do a flashback. Porta potty. We'll change the stage directions, and I'm just curious what was happening. But as you remember, I'm outside. This is like maybe 10 minutes in the past.
She can do it. She can do it. She can do it. I'm just worried that the water will splash up and hit me, and that's weird and gross. So I'm trying to time it.
It won't.
What? What? Who?
Nothing?
Oh, nothing? No. What? Is someone there?
Never mind.
Is that inside of my brain or outside of my brain?
It's inside your brain. Just keep going to the bathroom.
Okay. She can do it. She can do it. She can do it.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, she can. Look at my son's Instagram. Oh, he's having a party. Should I make bagel bites?
Yeah, those are delicious.
Are you sure you're inside of my brain?
Totally sure.
Okay.
We slowly flash back to this. You leave the stage for a second. And I guess the dynamics of how this works. Somehow you're outside of the toilet now. That's why we were talking. Wait, I don't understand. Why didn't you just tell her that you were a real person, you needed help?
She sat down so fast, and like it just felt like an invasion of privacy at that point. I panicked. I'm gonna be real honest. Like I've been in here for 5 weeks and 6 days, and then that was the first person that came in.
What have you been eating to survive? No. Jared! Jared!
He can't help you.
What?
Only Nancy.
What does Nancy have some curse on this? It doesn't make sense to me.
I don't know, but she's the one that opened it a little while ago. She has a very distinct voice.
Margaret!
Nancy!
Who's calling?
Nancy! This is Jared's friend. I'm locked in the porta potty.
Who? Wait, were you the friend?
Yeah!
All right, I'm gonna try my bestest. All right. I'm trying to open the door. Push for me.
Oh, baby, oh no! Oh!
Wait, who's that?
We do a stage over here. So we get back to the stage picture. Where's Jared? You can say the "Who's That" thing line. But now Jared has his guitar. He's come back with his guitar as part of his band. He's just holding it. Where did Nancy go? There you go.
Wait, who's that? Who's that in there?
I don't know, but whoever it was said that you were the only one who could open up the door to get people out.
It must be from clipping all my coupons. I'm so strong. Does he need help too?
I don't know.
What was his name?
He didn't say.
What is your name?
Steve?
Steve, do you need assistance from your neighborly friend Nancy?
I don't even know at this point. Yes? Let me
So
out.
Nancy goes to the porta potty, and as she opens it easily because of her coupon cutting arms, but then she falls into it, and then they disappear. Oh shit! Is this? My God, is this your band?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Okay, so yes. Cool, man, dude. There's someone stuck in your porta potty. He's been there for like 6 weeks. You don't know anything about that?
No, and only Nancy can get him out, so I would find her.
She just went into the porta potty. That.
I'm stuck in here too.
Hi, Nancy.
Hi, Steve.
Good to see you again.
Again?
Well, that conversation gets quieter and we can't hear it. It's like a whisper. Okay. All right. Well, this has turned out to be this is crazy, man. Are y'all gonna play a set? Is that what's happening?
I think so.
So you,
That's the name of the song we're gonna play.
Yeah.
it's called "I Think So."
Yeah.
I'm just gonna just share the way because it's bothering me. Okay. Cool. So you, guitar,
Yeah.
keyboards, and xylophone. Cool.
Yep.
Bring, 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 bring. Bring, 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 bring. Bring, 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 bring.
And then Jared slowly steps out and then starts repeating the name of the song over and over and singing it.
I think so. I think so. I think so. I think so. My biggest fan there. I think so.
Slowly, more people start pulling out their phones. More people. Yeah, more people like just taking out and just kind of like start standing up, and then you all kind of start repeating back and forth. I don't think so. Back to Jared.
I think so. I think so.
Yeah. I think so.
I think so. I think so. I think not.